This is a library training video for the London School of Theology, showing you how to use the aspects of Oxford Handbooks and Oxford Scholarship online. These are searched automatically as part of the discovery mode of library search, but we can go to them separately. We'll only go to one because they both operate in the same way. So I'm going to choose Oxford Scholarship, which is found on the front of the library catalogue, the library search catalogue, and the link under useful links. Here we are. Now, of course, we have to prove that we have the right to access it. So, first of all, we have to sign in. I'm trying to get rid of that continue. Takes a long time. They usually pop these up when you visit sites these days. That's better. So, the only thing is, where do we sign in? Now, I'm scouring the page. You can't see anything. That's because you have to scroll down until you see sign in via your institution. Now, we have a distinctive name, so we'll type in the word theology, and that brings us up as the only one who has access to this in the country. So, London School of Theology, it goes to our shibboleth page. I've showed you how to do this on other screens in the quick reference. So, use your email address and password. We'll redirect you back to the site. And if you scroll down, you can see here, it says, normally it says you are signed in with the London School of Theology. I can't see it this time, but you are. Anyway, before we go in, we will only want to search the things we have access to. So click on religion. We don't have any of those other collections. We've only bought religion, as they call it. And now we can search. So you can see there's a list of books here, which we have access to. There are actually in excess of 1,300. Yeah. It says religion 2084. Bit of a puzzle. In my index, it says 1,300. But if we have 2084, that's great. Anyway, so when you get into this interface, normally you would search it through EBSCO Discovery Service or the like. But if I click on here and search inside all of the books we have, I would click on search my subject specialism, and I select it to only search the collection we own, religion. That's fine. And now I can do a search. So if I put in theology miracles, how many hits do I get, I wonder? Well, it tells me I have 16 books that I've got both of those words in. If we scroll through them, you can see all the titles. Southern Baptist Theological Seminary, interesting. Ferdinand Christian Bauer. So, I click on one of those titles to search within it. Takes us to the book itself. Gives you an abstract. You can read a longer abstract. You can go directly to a page. So if you know there's a particular book you want, you can search for the title and author. And if you know the particular page you want, you can turn straight to that page. Let's go to page 50. Go. Scroll down. We're at page 50. Doesn't really give an indication that you're on 50 unless you look around. No, it doesn't give you a clear indication, but it assures us I've jumped straight to page 50. If there's a phrase you're looking for, if you control F and look for, let's put in theology, and then 24 instances, jump, you can see they're all highlighted. That's an easy way to navigate if you're looking for a particular phrase or word. There we go. That's all the way through. That's very fast. You've got the contents down the side on the left. And this is these are the chapters. So you can jump to it by chapter. There we go. Chapter 1. There we go. You have subjects related. Early Christian Studies, and you can search within the book here. Instead of doing my Control F, it's probably more efficient to do it this way. Let's put it Augustine, because I remember seeing his name in the text. So Augustine. So it gives you all the instances throughout the book where Augustine's name appears, but I wish it would highlight them. Control F, Augustine. Yes, you can see it's part of the search here, but so it seems to have one incidence of it. That's a bit of a puzzle to me. Search within the results. Probably results within results. Okay. Search them by title. Oh, they're different. Yes. Okay. I think you're going to have to go to each section to be able to search it. It just directs you to the right point. Let's search for Augustine again. Oh, just one. I think I only saw it there anyway when I flicked through. There we go. So there are other aspects to this. You can sign in. You have to sign in with your own account. You create a sub-account, and then you can store your searches. I think I'm signed in already. Let's try. Or signed up for it already. It's the usual password I use. No, I've got it wrong this time. But we'll show you this in the research video. It does allow you to store your searches and other things which are worth looking into in the research section, which is part C of the library induction. That takes you through how to search inside Oxford Scholarship Online. And that's the end of this video clip.